Colon cancer didn't run in my family. I have a big history of breast cancer and secondary relatives, aunts and cousins, but colon cancer wasn't even on my radar. I started experiencing some pain in my right side of my abdomen. And so after a few weeks of trying to ignore it, trying to let it go away, I sought the advice of my primary care provider. She advised me to have a CT scan, and I had the CT scan and it showed some abnormalities in my appendix. I went to see Dr. Webb. He showed me what he was concerned about, why he was concerned, and he explained everything that he was looking at. He was very informative about the surgery and just very caring. I felt like he was taking care of a family member when he was taking care of me. We decided to have the appendix removed, so we did that robotically. Unfortunately, they discovered that it wasn't a stone in my appendix, it was actually a colon cancer that had originated in the appendix. So then more surgery was on the horizon. They removed part of my large intestine and part of my small intestine and some lymph nodes, quite a few lymph nodes. They did that also with the Da Vinci system. Having my surgery with the Da Vinci system made my recovery time much better. I had an appendectomy and I was back to work in a week. I had my colon removed and small bowel removed, and I was back to work in 3 weeks. And I have a pretty physical job, and I was able to come back at full capacity other than with some listing restrictions for just a few weeks. I am cancer-free now, and I plan on staying cancer-free for the rest of my life. And if something happens that I'm not, then I know that I'm going to be getting my annual screenings for mammography and colon cancer, and I have my annual blood test in order to make sure that anything that might happen in the future will be caught early with early detection, and I will have just as good outcomes as I had this time. Everyone gave me such excellent care, from the nurses that took care of me. They were super busy. All the CNAs, the people that came in with my dietary stuff, the housekeeper, everybody was just amazing. It was a wonderful experience.